It's a sad day. They're censoring Dr. Berg, one of the most famous alternative health practitioners on YouTube with over 11 million subscribers. I'm going to chat a little bit about why this is very concerning to me, why you should be concerned, and how this not only affects Dr. Berg, but it negatively affects society as a whole. In case you're new to this channel, my name is Brody Miller, soon to be Doctor of Natural Medicine, and on this channel we discuss how to heal from trauma, stress, and anxiety using our brain, body, and nervous system. Let's look at this situation from a very logical and rational point of view. Dr. Berg, who has become very famous for his advocacy of the ketosis diet, explained in his video how the YouTube algorithm is changing, not to where you cannot see the videos, not complete censorship, but it's censorship from the point where it makes it much more difficult to see his videos and alternative point of views about ketosis.
What really frustrates me is having them take over the keywords for the ketogenic diet. Now, why is that a bad thing? Because they don't have any experience in that area. Many times when doctors go to school, they don't get a lot of training in nutrition or anything alternative. And so now they get to be the controllers of that information as well.
He goes on to explain that he used to be one of the top ranking videos on the keto diet, and now if you search the keto diet, he's no longer there, and videos come up from medical doctors explaining how ketosis is toxic in our system.
That's clinical.
When I think
and
about
not.
ketosis, sometimes I get a little nervous. I think, well, gosh, we don't really actually want you in ketosis, but can you tell us about that?
Right, and I think this is something that is the unknown with when people are saying, well, I'm going to put myself on a ketogenic diet and be in ketosis, because really when you think about what ketosis is, it's a alternative pathway that our body has to use in times of emergency and times when your brain in particular, when your brain needs energy and for some reason there's not food, particularly carbohydrate, because that's the fuel your brain prefers, when that's not around. And so your body has this kind of a backup system to make sure you survive. And so it's able to produce these ketone bodies to keep you functioning. And so you're right. It's something that historically has alarmed us in terms of we don't necessarily want people to be in ketosis. It can be very dangerous. Ketone bodies are considered toxic.
That's completely false information. When you look at it, ketosis is not toxic. It's glucose that is toxic in our system. Not only that, the proof is in the pudding with Dr. Berg, as he has over 7,000 positive testimonials on his website. Check them out for yourself. The loudest voice is evidence, and the evidence shows that over 7,000 people have improved their lives through the keto diet. And the fact is, I shouldn't even have to be making videos like that. To me, it's honestly absurd. But I wish more people would see through the veil that YouTube and these large corporations are very toxic to society, trying to manipulate what people see. When you sacrifice the ability of people to see alternative viewpoints in health, it really is detrimental to society as a whole. My main motivation to do this video is just spread this to a few more people so they can see through the veil and see that this is detrimental to society. However, even though it feels a little 1984-esque, we can take action to prevent this from continuing to happen again and again. In the description, I put a link to Dr. Berg's survey where you can write what your opinions on this matter are, taking this quick survey. It takes only a few minutes, and this is going to help prevent this from continuing to happen. I would love to know what your thoughts are in this wild situation, so leave a comment down below. Right now, it's just me and my wife with these videos. She does a lot of the editing and I shoot the videos. But in order to support me, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, because that's going to be the biggest currency that I have moving forward to get this message out to more people. Once again, thanks for watching. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you all in the next video.